Today we are joined by actor Jason Schwartzman, and we're going to be talking about the new film, The Grand Budapest Hotel. Now, Jason, I have to say, I've heard some really great things about this movie, but catch me up to speed for people that haven't heard anything about it. Give me a little bit of a plot summary, of course, not giving any of the exciting parts away.
Well, basically, it's an ensemble movie starring Ralph Fiennes. It takes place in the 1930s at an old, very grand, very fancy hotel. And Ralph Fiennes is basically like the greatest concierge on earth and treats everyone wonderfully. And there is a woman, a very elderly lady, who's actually played by Tilda Swinton, who's quite young, but they put all this great makeup on her. Anyways, she passes away, and in her will, she leaves something of very, 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 very rare and high value to Ralph Fiennes. And at the reading of the will, members of her family are there, and they hear that this piece of art has gone to Ralph Fiennes, and they are in an uproar, and they are angry, and they want blood. And they come after him with a vengeance. And it's basically Ralph Fiennes and Tony Revolori, who's plays his accomplice in the film. The two of them on the run from this very mean and aggressive, eccentric family.
And you brought up the word eccentric.
And it's amazing.
You brought up the word eccentric, and I'm seeing some of the clips that we're showing right now, and it seems very eccentric. So how do you bring a sense of honesty and reality to these characters that are a little bit out of the norm?
Well, I don't know, I think that really the main thing is that Wes, I think that Wes sees things from like a slant that is atypical of how most people see things. But I don't think that he's ever really making fun of anything. I think that he loves what he does, and he loves the movies and the world. And I think that love of it and the people and wanting to see them come alive is what keeps it from getting too, like too jokey or something. You know what I mean? We're never making fun of the people that we're playing, and it's always taken, even though it's a comedy and we enjoy ourselves while we're doing it, I think that there's a seriousness to which it's being done. And I think that Ralph Fiennes, who I didn't have any scenes with in the movie, really is amazing. And I talked to Wes about, I was like, how was he so amazing? And he says that was Ralph Fiennes' main thing, was always trying to bring a very deep, deep, deep level of reality to his character. And I think that colliding with Wes's sort of very particular and unique style makes for a viewing experience that's very, very stellar and super singular.
All right, well, I could talk about this movie and talk to you all day, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to wrap it up. Thank you for sharing your experience with the Grand Budapest Hotel.